Yes, Mahi,
Yes.
it's your time to
Yes.
talk about your trip.
Yeah.
Let's see who does better, Mahi or Zed. So
Okay.
it's your turn now, Vita, to prove
Okay.
yourself.
Okay. Okay. What is my first question?
First question, Obeda, simply talk about the trip we had
Okay.
gone to. Okay, like how did the trip begin? How did it end? What all you did? Okay, you
Yeah.
just have to speak the truth, the reality,
Yes.
everything that you did
Uh,
exactly. You speak up about it.
We had I was doing my things and my means I had been invited to a trip to Alibag. Mm, a trip to Alibag. They means they had said it will be on that day, and I was very excited to listen this news. And they had said the trip because it was my friend, means it was my cousin's birthday. So they had arranged the party in Alibag, surprising party it was. So couldn't sleep. I was so much excited. Soon that means I selected my means first time I had taken my own bag. Um, it was my I took my own things. I took my personal things. I took soaps in need and the yes. Fun starting. Soon the day came to travel. First day that the first we had selected our clothes and we took our swimming clothes. We selected our all clothes and I had took paper soap and my all things. Mm. The next day we had gone to my cousin's house and then slept there. Had a good time and slept there. And the next day we mm, and the next day yes, and the next day we woke up early morning at 6 o'clock. We changed. We became fresh and then um, at my cousin's house a girl came to play. I knew her to play. She's smaller girl. Then I play with her. Then we changed and then we were ready to go. Then my brother had took his bat and a ball too. So then we left.
My brother had carried Vita.
Yes.
Early morning we had slept, Mahi. Exactly. Let us speak.
Yes. Then we left there. Then we go. Then we left by the car. Means we. It was a mini bus.
Traveler bus.
Traveler bus, right. Then when we went, means first of all my question was with everyone that in how much minutes, in how much hours we will reach. Everyone was saying 1 to 3
How
hours.
much? No, Vita, how many?
Yes, 1 to 3 hours. Then there was there was one girl named Alina. Last time also we had gone to a trip. I had met her and from there we have become friends. She's my friend and again she had come. So then we left and then I took her. We took there. She too had came with her, come with us. Then we left. Then we left there. Then soon, then I had carried my cats. So very soon we were getting bored. We slept. Means we didn't enjoy much in the bus, but we had done many activities also in the bus.
But you vomited in the bus.
Yes, I had vomited in the bus 2 times. But thank God there was a plastic thali with us.
You didn't spoil the bus.
Yes. We all Bacha Party was sitting at the back side of the back seat of the bus.
You were seeing all the bike riders.
Yes. We were who only were going. We were saying hi, bye. Nine, and we had go at the first day also. Then we enjoyed and then we were saying hi bye to the people who were going. They had voted us. They were showing us thumbs up like this. Then we stopped and we had gone to eat food, means to a hotel to eat food. Yes. we halted for food. Then we soon reached. Means we didn't reach. Then after 1 2 hour, I again said, now 1 2 hour are over. Now how much minutes we will how much time we will reach in? Again they were saying 1 2 hour, and after like this, 5 8 hours were gone. So after that, finally we had reached, and I was so much excited. Means soon I removed from my bus. Means the fresh air. I couldn't believe that I have reached. Um, then soon I reached. Then first of all we explored the resort again. Then we I was eagerly waiting with that when we will go to the swimming pool. But the bad news was that they were saying after 1 2 minutes we will go. First of
After
all,
1 2 hours.
yes, minutes only they had said.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
That first you can change and eat food and like that. That become fresh. Then we will go. Then I said okay. Then after that we went to a beach. That was not a bad. It was a nice beach. There at the beach we had eaten gola, orange flavor. Um, Means we all had eaten gola. Then we enjoyed at the beach, and also we all girls had gone to a trampoline, and then we had gone to a trampoline. We had enjoyed in the trampoline. So then we left again to our room, our own room. Then we were excited that now we will go in the swimming pool. Swimming pool. First, the people were doing prank on us that no, we will not go. Then afterwards we got to know that it was the reality, that we will not go. But I was not so sad because we were also enjoying Wasabi. Then we enjoyed, and then but I had gone extremely tired there after coming from the beach. And then I enjoyed, uh, then I came, and then I went. There also was a garden for children. Then we explored the ducks and the bakras which were there.
Goats.
Yes, the goats which were there. Mm,
I fed them.
my brother and my cousins fed them, and then
We spent good time with them.
we spent good time with them. And then that only day, we had means then we went to our, then we then we came, and then soon my first day, that was our first day. So then I was waiting when my mom will come, because my mom also had been invited for giving an award. So I was waiting at late night. She had came. Then at that time we had played my favorite game, musical chair. Means always I come to the last, uh, mm, but my cousin only wins. But I still be happy because we had played my favorite game. Um, then soon my mom and dad came. Then we started clapping. When my mom and dad came, then so my mom and dad started talking. Means everyone's talking, started talking to each other, and they started. Naila and me and Alina. We all three started coloring, because we had what does the coloring book name was?
I don't know. Mandala.
Ha,
Mandala.
mandala art. We had finished it, and it was looking very pretty. It was looking very pretty. So 1 second. So it was looking very pretty. Uh, mm, then the next day, then my means our room was big. It has many rooms, 2 washrooms. But my
It was a villa.
yes, but my cousins, means but my mom's and dad's and room was little small. It was small, only one washroom and only one single room, which had a bed. Um, Means there were means it was between the jungle. Mm, it was between the jungle. I the house. That's why there were so mosquitoes, and also I and my that two friends or cousins who they are, I don't know. We had saw a honeybee shelter,
Let's see.
honeybees, that house. And then we ran from that place, and um, we had ran from that place. Then we all
Honeycomb.
honeycomb.
Also honeycomb.
हाँ,
I
only
did not see. But
only
you
me,
call it
Naila and
honeycomb.
Alina. A small part,
Okay.
not hanging on the tree. It was
Lying
down.
Okay.
Mm. There were many mosquitoes and grasshopper and different types of that. Um,
Monsoon mosquitoes.
yes,
Monsoon insects.
it was only not monsoon. Monsoon means no. In monsoon, more mosquitoes comes, but there was so much irritating. Means cockroaches here. Then when we go here, cockroaches, and we also had met a frog there. It was hiding on its way.
Spiders.
Yes, spiders. So much big spider I had seen in my mom and dad's room. So then soon I was excited and we slept there. Means I slept in my mom and dad's room. Because more time I sleep with them only. So that then the next morning we woke up. Then we changed. But I was so much happy to go to the swimming pool. But everyone was busy in the bakras. Means the
They were roaming the forest.
yes, and I was so much irritated. Means because it was so sunny and I was tired extremely, and no one. And my dad was saying no. After some time we will go there. We ate food. Then also they are saying afterwards we will go there. Then finally we had jumped into the swimming pool. So much warm I felt, and it was so means I enjoyed. Mm. uh, then uh, then also at that time and at that night means we enjoyed 3-4 hours in the pool. Then I didn't wish to remove from the pool, but after 3-4 hours they had said
To come out.
yes. But after 3-4 hours they had said now your time is over. Now we have to eat food. They had said after food again you can come, but that was wrong. After before only food they made us change and. They made us change. Then before only food they made us change and we couldn't go. Means that was a lie to our bacha party. Then at the night time we were playing musical chair again. Means like it was my cousin's birthday and which
Cousins.
and
And
cousins
anniversary also.
and anniversary also of my
Brother and his wife.
brother, my Yasir bhai and his wife
Zarina.
Zarina bhabi. Their anniversary means I don't know when only they did the celebration. We always shocked. Means they didn't let us enter. Did us
Let us
entry.
know about the celebration.
Yes, but our work, me and my one friend's work was that you have to take flowers and remove remove
Bring
the
the birthday girl nicely.
the nice entry. Means we put them on flowers. Then nice entry. She was very excited. But the birthday girl, when the anniversary was on, the birthday girl means when it's our birthday, we can't wait na for the surprise. She was hiding in the bushes and seeing that what they are doing. But when I came and saw that then she was doing some other activity. To show that I am not doing anything. Then soon her entry also was done. She was happy. She danced. We all played a nice game. Then soon we played musical chair. Then my mom and my mom's friends said that we only will win this time. Then I was saying no, they never, because at means when we started at the first time only one from all the moms one to had been out. So one by one everyone got out, and my mom also chance had gone that time. means I and my cousin Naila, we only were remaining. Then in the last I won. So then we won, and I took from my mom 100 rupees. 100 of my brother, and all the children got 100 rupees. Um, then we played next game blindfold. First we played racket, then we played blindfold and some questions. My mom had asked me questions which I was bored in that.
Fun session was going on.
Not only fun, it was study. In a place where we were studying, means it was okay for me. My we were popping the balloons. My brother had gone and slept there. Uh, because he was too tired. And then soon, then we ate food, and then we also had slept. And the third day, which was our last day, and also we had played blindfold and in and out. In my cousin only had one, and blindfold also we had played. In blindfold, we all had been given a dime, and who only one popped the balloon. They had popped the balloons. Not for the the third day came only. But we woke up means only at 10 o'clock and jumped into the pool. Then my mom and dad talked that the means the pool security was saying no, this is now your checkout time. But my other people now, but they talked that. So after 40-25 minutes, 10-15 minutes, we were there. Then we again traveled to the beach. We left our sweet home, sweet room of mosquitoes. So then we left from there. Then soon we were going from the swimming pool. I had said bye swimming pool and bye our room. So then see, soon we went, and then by bus again we traveled. We put on our luggages. First we ate food, and then put on our luggages and go.
Left to the
The, my brother and my one cousin birthday girl Naila, they were busy in the bakras, means the goats and the ducks. And but me and my one friend and Naila's also friend, uh, uh, we we and her were popping the balloons. We enjoyed that. Then also there also was a garden for children. Mm, Sliding, seesaw, and one jhula, swing. When we left from there, I was feeling bad um, because we stayed there 3 days. But then again we went one beach. What was that beach name? Shittage Beach. There also we enjoyed, and we ride.
We rode Terran vehicle.
We rode a Terran vehicle car only.
We sat on a
Yes, we all
horse, chariot. We sat on a chariot
chariot.
on the beach.
Yes, and also that time we had seen a live camel there. It was sitting. Then soon, then after that, then again we ate gola there. 3 times we had eaten gola, but that time I think we had eaten gola or ice cream. My brother had eaten gola, and we all girls had eaten ice cream. Mm. Then then we ate ice cream. Then after that we obviously will be hungry. First we played. We uh, um, we saw that what was under the beach. We found a big shell there. So much. It was a big shell there. Means I could beach there. Then means I could. And it was a big shell. And then we started digging. It took us 10-15 minutes to dig. I thought that when we remove the sand, now then the sand is over. But then we dig. But after that we were scared because it was too digged, too deep. So then then we ate ice cream. Then obviously we will be hungry. Then we ate french fries, burger, and nuggets. We all in the garden, in the next garden, that in the beach, near the beach there was a garden. In that garden we had eaten food. And my brother had seen a crab.
Crab.
My brother had seen a crab there, live. I don't, but we didn't see. Uh, so then, uh, so then, so then we went. So then, uh, so then after, means we.
Okay, conclude beta now. Overall,
No, no, still are remaining. Means then we enjoyed them. Then we played also in there. Means we played. Enjoyed the garden also. We enjoyed the garden also. And then we enjoyed the garden, and then we left from the garden. And then we left from the garden and went to our home, So yes, and when I um, then we all sat in our bus. Then we went to our homes, and then we means we on the way we were excited. We played many games. Uh, then the time came that when we were going to leave from there. So then I was very sad and I started crying because after many months I had met my new friend and my cousin Naila. My cousin Naila. Then I was feeling sad and I cried. It hurted me. I cried badly after almost half an hour. I cried. Then we sat and then we left in our house. Then my mom had cooled down to me, so then overall I enjoyed a lot. Means I was just happy for only two things most. That first we had played musical chair. That was my outdoor favorite game, and one swimming pool that all children love. Yes. And then if you like the video, please like, subscribe and share. And if you love to go to if you love to go in the swimming pool, please like and comment.